Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot, where this is another store. This is a different store. Actually, never been to this store before. This is in the East Valley. I'm walking in. You just got the Ryobi right here around the entrance, and as you guys could see, there's still some tools left. A lot of the good ones are already out, already sold out. But you still got a few tools to go by here. If you're interested in this deal, this buy one get one free deal for the two batteries, Ryobi Day deal, I would recommend you guys walking into the store and just searching for the tool, because these tools are going to be sold out and it's hard to get them. Even online, they're hard to get. Anyways, if you guys want to help out the channel, so we can make more tool review videos, so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, reviews, please feel free to subscribe. Help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Alright, let's go ahead and keep going here. We got some more Ryobi. We got a $79 drill deal right there. I would recommend the one that was there previously for $99, drill and an impact driver. You got some nice nail guns there, $99 and $149. You got a Husky toolbox here, another Husky wood top, and this is a really nice one. This is a Milwaukee $698. It's not a bad deal for Milwaukee. And yeah, this is weird. I haven't seen these before in a Home Depot. $119. These are the compact vacuums here. It's like a small compact vacuum. I don't know if you guys seen it before, but I haven't seen it before. I only seen it online. But yeah, it's and they're still running the Makita LXT deal, where you can buy a tool and get a battery for free. They got a few of those batteries in there. So like I said, every Home Depot is different. It's not going to have the deals. Like this Home Depot has the tool kit there, impact driver and drill drivers for $99 each. The $159 deal that was a better deal for drill driver, impact driver, atomic, two batteries and a charger, it's already sold out on this Home Depot. So keep an eye out for that one. That one's a good deal. The $299 flex bolt, it's a great deal there. You get I believe an 8 amp hour battery or 9 amp. You get a big battery, a 60 volt battery, and a small battery. And these are some of the tools that are already gone, like this edge trimmer that I got last week. That one's already gone. The radio's already gone. There's a lot of good tools that. There's still a lot of Milwaukee left here. You got the battery deal for $99. Then you got the Ryobi deal for $49. These are gonna get clearanced out. Everybody's just getting the bigger batteries for $99, and that's a good deal there for under $5. Yeah, these Husky deals are pretty good. That one's a good deal too. You get all the screwdrivers for $10. Pretty much, if you're just a DIY and just throw them around the house. This is a nice bag there, $12.97. Like I said, you still got some more deals over here. You got some Stanleys. These are the tools that, well, actually, that's a drill driver and impact driver kit. I believe that's a brushed. I don't see the price on it. This is a really good deal, especially those titanium bits for $29.97. Those bits, they run. I believe they run for like $45. So definitely worth getting. I still gotta pick some up. I keep forgetting them, but I'll pick some up because I see them all the time. And yeah, those are the better tools for the Milwaukee deal. They still have some batteries left. Some other Home Depots already sold out of those Milwaukee deals. Buy one get one free. So you select any of those tools for free if you buy the batteries and the two batteries and the charger for like $199 and $299 deal. And we got some gloves here, really nice gloves on Milwaukee for $997. $888, $788. I believe you get a few pairs for that. Then $988. That's a good deal bundle. $29.98. That's the backpack. And yeah, this is a mister. You put this. It's like the fan, the Ryobi fan. But this is a mister. Like if you have a patio way out there on the back, and there's no way for you to get a hose back there or electricity, you got it made. All you have to do is just bring a bucket, a 5-gallon bucket, and just put it in there, and then you got that patio with the mister. And yeah, these are the lawnmowers that they have now. That's the cheaper one that they have. I was just looking at the price to see if there's any drop down prices on those. But yeah, they got a lot of lawnmowers. They got a lot to choose from there. A lot of different power tools. And that's another section that the Ryobi has. Ryobi has a whole bunch of sections in this store somehow. And these were all pointed towards the front of the Home Depot here. And then the 2 battery if you buy a kit. So you buy a 249 kit and you can get that saw. The saw kit, the 249 or the 299 kit, and you get those 2 batteries for free. So definitely a great deal if you're on the Makita brand or Makita platform, or if you need a saw. Definitely something to consider here, because Makita is a great. You got some tool sets here. Definitely, they'll drop down in price. I believe they should drop down in price, especially like this when they have a whole lot left. $349 for that nail gun there, and you got some more toolboxes here. Seems like they've been here quite a while. They're kind of dusty, but yeah, this is something that amazed me about this Home Depot. They have this brand, Cartridge or Carhartt or something like that. Yeah, they have a whole bunch of shirts, pants, long sleeves, hoodies. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of. You can even get dressed in this store. It's like a small little clothing store here, and it's by the tool section, which is weird too. And then you got this one. They're selling this used chainsaw there. And got this wall of Milwaukee totes and pack out. Some more pack out there. And then you got this Milwaukee section with all the hats. Pretty much the flex fit hat with the Milwaukee. Oh, that's a nice one right there with the Milwaukee. Same thing with the shirts. Yeah, they got a big section on this Home Depot. Some Depots, I guess maybe it's bigger than the other ones. And then we got another Ryobi section. This is the regular tool section that they have. I always like to come and take a look here, because sometimes you might want to see those yellow tags or those drop down prices. Just want to take a quick look. Like if you're on a platform, like if you're in a Makita or Milwaukee, just take a quick look by your section and see if there's any yellow text. This is weird. I actually never seen a section like this before, where they have all the Milwaukee drain like plumbers edition here, with all the different types of equipment from the bigger to the smaller one, which is weird. I never seen this before. And they even have the pipe wrenches right there on the top right hand corner. They got the replacement wires for the guns there. And then this is the clearance section. It's pretty big. If you're looking to remodel your house, I would definitely check out the clearance section at your nearest Home Depot. They might, who knows what they might have. If you're already there, why not just take a quick look? You might just see something that catches your eye. You might get a few bucks off, and pretty much brand new for a brand new item there. And especially if you're a contractor, you rebuild homes, this is a great section for you. They got all kinds of stuff here. Like I said, you just have to watch out for the prices, compare them online. This must be it could be the older version or the newer. There's a lot of different variables there. And every Home Depot is different. So, and then they did have this brushless section here. This combo deal. And then the garden section here. And some more Ryobi. Yeah, Ryobi is taking over Home Depot pretty much. Ryobi has been... They got a whole bunch of green boxes everywhere, which is a good thing. Ryobi is a great brand. Don't get me wrong, especially for the DIY. Yeah, that's a new blower from Ryobi. If you guys haven't seen it before, $169. Yeah, definitely some great deals there. Some Milwaukee fuels. Then some DeWalt. Obviously, the XR is going to be your middle grade tool, and then the Flex Volts 60 is going to be like the more powerful prosumer to a professional level. I would say still DIY, but a little bit more powerful, the Flex Volts. And then you got some more brushless Ryobi. Some more fans. This is the fan section. I was just amazed to see Ryobi pretty much everywhere, even in the fan section here. And yeah, there's some of the deals that they got going on. The 279 deal is a good one. With the 2 drills, impact driver, drill driver. It seems like they're out of that. And they got the chainsaw there. There's an angle grinder. Impact driver. And then you got the lawnmowers. Yeah, that's the new lawnmower from Joby, the new one. So they got 4 different lawnmowers now to choose from. They got a 13, a 40 volts, and a 40 volts self-propelled, and now a 21-inch 40 volts. So they got 4 different ones. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel, so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos like this, make more tool reviews. We'll see you guys in the next one.